Here it is. Here's the Del Mar. It's September 27th, 2022. We're in the Malibu Experience. This is a prototype bike. You can see it's got no turn signals in the back. Really love the color, cool color. Yeah, this is much more finished than the last version. Yeah, this thing, everything looks like perfect. You got Brembo in the back. You got Brembo master cylinder. Yeah, this one's a real one. You can see it's got the battery cables in there. Very cool. Shock right on the back of the casting. Really cool, man. Here's the dash. Del Mar. Yeah, those are two screws there, and in the front over here, yeah, this is a rubber thing. There's a rubber cover there. I don't know if you can see it for USB-C. Yeah, this everything looks finished. Yeah, Brembo master cylinder on the front. Wow, I wonder if they're going to keep that on the production bike. Here's very nice switch gear, same as before. Got a single Brembo brake and floating brakes. That's different than before. Floating brakes, you can tell it's got the anti-lock wire on there. Going into the cable in the front. Yeah, this bike looks like a runner. It's different than the first one I saw. Yeah, really cool. Got your electronics under here, speed controllers, chargers. Got a liquid cool motor in this one. I don't know about the battery, but the motor is very cool bike. Let me get on the other side here. Yeah, you can see. You know what? We should be able to take a look and see where the front brake is going. Okay, so here's the front brake wire. It's going over here. Let's see where it's going. Oh, look at that. It is going into the tank. And the yeah.